What's up? What's up? We are back. And we are back with an exciting fucking episode. This was the... I didn't anticipate this episode. And it's about to happen. And it's a hectic motherfucking scene. Hopefully you guys are entertained by it. You know when the lights come out, it's about to be bonkers. The boss man, the big boss from Big Boss. You know who I'm talking about. So let's get this started. Bandi, namaskara. Namaskara.
Oh, are we rolling? Oh, this is so cool. You know, Pajit, you're grown so tall. People from Red FM are recording us.
Oh, damn.
He told me cops caught you. What is it? Disco lights, dude?
What's up?
What's up,
This
Ajit?
is Ajay Prithvi.
Hello, what a setup. So why did cops catch you?
That was something else. Like we were doing something else and
Oh, you do other things too. Huh? Okay, disco lights. How are you fitting in this car? It surprises me. What are you, 17 feet?
6'3", but still adjust ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. But yep,
This is cool. How does this go? What do you do with,
we chill.
Abhishek was telling me your video has gone viral.
Oh, with Priya. Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
This audio is good enough, is it?
Yes.
Catch.
The mic is here now, and I'm loud.
Oh, nice. The lights behind.
But not shock ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೋ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಈ ಆಟೋಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಜಿಂಕೆ ಲೌಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಾ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್. ಕೂಲ್.
But yes, how's life been?
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ AC ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. Hey, want coffee?
Done. For sure. But how's life been?
Very good.
Nice.
Life has been good. Life is good. Life is good. It's what you make of it, how you treat.
Correct.
ಅಣ್ಣ ತಗೋ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾತುಕತೆ.
Let's go. But actually, first off, thank you.
People are watching us. Hi sir. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನು we're not doing any sidey things. Shady.
Only if the light is off, we are doing something else. But until the light is on,
ಮಿಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು people are all watching. Hi sir, hello. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹಾಯ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಸಮಾಚಾರ?
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೈವಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹಂಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we will get into the deeper.
What's your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Kannada, English.
Yeah.
And Tamil.
People are watching you. Do they know about you?
Not much. Like here.
He's a very talented editor in Red FM. Very
Thank
talented.
you.
And he receives a lot of praises. So ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅವನೇ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊನೆ.
So we are not cutting the whole video. Full ಆಗಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ರಾ ಅನ್ಎಡಿಟೆಡ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಕಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ಸಿಗ್ದೇನೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
But I wanted to ask you, how did Big Boss happen? My biggest question is that.
Channel ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆದ್ರು. They called me.
Damn.
Kannada Big Boss season 7. Channel called me.
Okay.
You know, my previous jock who was hosting my show in my previous radio station, Fever, was Shraddha.
Mm-hmm.
So Shraddha used to work for the channel.
Okay.
She asked my producer Bhuvana, Prithvi Martana anta. I said yes. So it's a call from the channel. Phone bantu, hode, meet ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I actually went there for curiosity.
Okay.
ಕುತೂಹಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಚಾನಲ್. ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್? ನಾನು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ನೋಡೇ
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ನೋಡೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್. I have heard about Big Boss.
Okay.
Shilpa Shetty going to Big Boss, all that. I just heard. I have not
Okay.
seen a single episode of Big Boss
Okay.
except mine because after coming out I saw ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸು ನೋಡಿದೆ.
Okay.
ನನಗೆ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಿರೋ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಚ್ಡ್.
Okay.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್.
Okay.
ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್.
Okay.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ
Oh.
ಏನು ಹಂಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ
Oh.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್.
Okay.
ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗಾನ್ ದೇರ್ ವೆರಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಕಫ್ತಾನ್.
Suit.
People call me nighty.
Uh-huh.
Call the clothes night. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ ಅಂತ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ yes. They said just please go the way you are ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. That's the Big Boss. That's how it happened.
Nice.
I loved it. They called me the logo again. Yeah, I loved the experience.
You're planning to go again? Yeah, you're planning to
Sorry,
go again?
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅವಾಗ ಕಾರಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Bangalore roads ಸರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? What can we do when the Bangalore roads are not good?
ಏ BBMP ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ರೋಡ್ ಗಿಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್.
Yeah. What do you think? Do you think that they're scamming us? ಹಂಗಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ.
They are not
still.
scamming us. They are doing. I want to say that they hope they're doing their best, but no, they can do a lot better.
Okay. But you've been doing RJing for so many years. Bore agilva?
When you were a sperm,
You were an RJ.
I was an RJ.
ಅಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು. Fuck.
Yeah, this is what in a private station it's been ಆಯ್ತು 18 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ 18-20 years.
Holy shit.
20 years, yeah.
20 years.
How old are you, Ajit?
22.
22.
Yeah, 22.
I'm 46.
Oh
Yeah.
damn. So when did you start RJing and all that?
Do the math. Hey, 22 ವರ್ಷ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 22 years matlab.
So you started in
2006.
24. Oh.
I started in
Wow.
private station in Radio 1. Before
Ah.
that was All India Radio on 3 years. Yeah, around 20-21 years.
Damn.
So 46 matlab 36, 26, 20, when I was 23. Almost your age.
Bore
23.
ಆಗ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
No, it's very interesting. It's different. It's not like the regular job, alba. RJ. Every day is a different day. In terms of the number of, the topic that you touch upon, the kind of people you meet, the interviews, film stars. And again, Borilla Plus is rewarding. It's nice. People recognize you, they listen to you, they share you with compliments, they give you so much love.
What's the best compliment you've ever gotten?
A girl who walked into the studio with my tattoo on her hand. That was like the biggest.
Damn.
That was so flattering.
What the fuck?
I didn't know how to react to that.
Holy shit.
That
Like
was-
RJ Prithvi.
And me holding a mic, my entire photograph.
Damn.
Really
Holy
tattooed.
shit.
And it happened with another lady later on, with my name on the knuckles and the heart. And that was too flattering.
Fuck.
I'm ever grateful for people like that.
Oh my god. That's actually, oh my god, wow.
One compliment was someone said I was about to commit suicide.
Okay. But then.
I heard your show. Something changed and I'm alive because of whatever that you do on air, and I didn't know it had such kind of an impact on people's lives.
I thought, ನಿಮ್ಮ voice ಕೇಳಿ it's better to live than listen to you.
As long as you have saved a person, I am grateful. Whatever it is. But yeah, so those are the moments you can't forget.
Oh, nice. But what's the worst experience you've had being an RJ?
Worst?
Yeah.
Fumbled, made mistakes.
That's normal, no?
Yeah, so I don't know what's the worst mistake. What's the worst mistake?
Have you
Some
used
embarrassing mistakes, things like that. Otherwise,
have you used being an RJ card to hit on some girls and all?
never.
Never?
Or with the cops. Never, ever.
Never?
In fact, on the contrary, I avoid saying. By chance, if you have caught in the signal or starting a little ahead, it could be find a signal jump or whatever. First person to never use the cloud is me, because imagine I talk about it on radio. Imagine me committing a crime or violating a rule. It is so shameful and so not right.
Okay.
So last person to ever do that is me. I would never. And not that I have jumped signals, I never. And I'm a law-abiding citizen. Always.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ I'll believe you.
No drink and drive. Nothing. Zero. Fines.
But you don't drink also, no, so.
I have stopped.
Okay, but why all of a sudden?
It's been a year. Stopped drinking and smoking.
Why?
I thought I was overdoing. I thought it could affect my health. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆ ಥರ ಭಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು.
After how many years?
All my life I've been drinking and smoking. Not all my life.
Then nothing happened. Why did you stop then?
So you don't have to wait till something happens. It's better to stop before something happens. That's as a precautionary note. I stopped.
Okay.
Bad answer. You drink a lot?
No. I
smoke a lot?
No, I don't smoke.
Your parents are watching this?
No, I actually don't smoke. I used to, but then I stopped.
Smoke?
Huh?
Why?
Hangge like.
Hangge. You ask me a reason. I'm asking you the same reason. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
ಹಂಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಯ್ತಂತ.
You started ಬೋರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ stop. Also stopped. Same.
ಆ ಥರ.
Drinking here and there, socially, occasionally.
Okay, cool. Or else no hard drinking, all that. Okay, nice. Let's get into the deep waters.
Sure. So far it's been super shallow. Come on, take me in, dive in,
no? Okay. If you had to get married again, who would you get married to?
I will never get married again.
Why not?
I've been married twice.
Okay.
The most important is my freedom.
Okay.
And it is difficult to enjoy that kind of freedom.
Why do you think so?
Marriage.
Why do you think so that you won't get freedom in your marriage?
Don't say, show me one person who has freedom in his marriage. Ask your parents. Ask anybody. I'm very happy.
No, but what if future loneliness will catch up to you? Are you not scared about that?
It's been 8 years. No loneliness has caught me.
But still, Ivag you won't because you'll be having fun in the side.
You have your social circle. You have my friends. I have my colleagues. I have my school friends. I don't have to get married to not feel lonely. I can still live with someone. I can be with someone.
What if it happens? Hypothetical scenario. At the end, the world ends. It's only you and your wife, but you don't have a wife.
I don't have to marry if the world ends. Who am I marrying for? Hey, world end ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಬಂಡ್ರೋ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗೋಣ ಯಾವ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ.
But still, are you not scared about being lonely or not?
No, I'm not scared of being lonely.
Tell me why. Because I am scared of being lonely.
So ask the right question. You are scared, so you're projecting that to me. Have you been in a relationship ever?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah, yes.
Are you in a relationship?
No.
Okay, so you broke up? So
yes.
you are saying, are you comfortable being lonely?
I mean, yes, I am. But then later on, I would like
Later on, matlab what? Like
maybe like after another 5, 7, 8, 10 years. I need a companion, like to share my life with.
So you can have it. Who's stopping you?
No, but then
to each his own. You're asking me. I am saying my story. I am talking about my story, my opinion about marriage.
What is
my
your
favorite description of marriage is two people coming together to solve problems which never existed in the first place. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ನೀವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮಲ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಂದ, ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, if you have the emotional maturity, if both of you have that, I think it's nice. If you want to get married, please get married.
So nimmadwa, in your marriage, who didn't have that?
Both of us had it. That's why we were smart to get out.
But why did it fail though? Why do you think it failed? Why do you think marriages fail? And why do you think...
There are multiple reasons why marriage failed. You ask me why my marriage failed, I can tell you.
Yeah, yours first, then later on tell me the social one.
Others I don't know. I'll talk about mine. So, my second marriage... Oh, you want to know? The first one was...
Yeah, of course. First is hogbekalva.
Sorry, first there was some substance abuses. I could not deal with it after a while, and I said, okay, let's part ways. It's not possible for me to handle this, and I don't want to be in a relationship.
Okay.
Secondly,
Uh-huh.
we were great. She is still like a family member now. We speak regularly, my ex-wife. There was sexual incompatibility.
ಮಜಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
For oh, ಮಜಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. We had a great time.
Okay.
But later on we lost interest for each other sexually, at least, and it was the prime of life. 8-9 years ago, sex was important.
Of
we
course.
discussed. We tried living separately. We lived in different apartments. We tried open relationship.
Okay.
We tried everything there is.
Okay.
We thought the best option was to live separately. She's happy. She has a boyfriend, and I am happy wherever I am.
You have girlfriends.
I have friends.
Girlfriends.
Well, you can say
Girlfriends.
situationship of sort.
I said situationship. What the fuck?
Why did it shock you so much?
Yeah, because in your situationship is a teenage thing, not an.
Who told you?
Illa.
Who told you just because you're 40 plus you can't be in a situationship? What are these rules? Show me the rule book. Show the fucking rule book. Where is the rule book? Who told you ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದಾರ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, 3ನೇ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, 4ನೇ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, 40 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು.
No, you can't.
Tell me, explain why you can't.
ಅದು ಏಜ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
Okay, you're saying, you're making a statement.
Yes.
Qualify, explain why.
Because ಅದು it doesn't come in the age demographic.
ಯಾವನ್ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು ಏಜ್ ಡೆಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ? Tell me, explain why. Think and tell me why can't anybody.
No, there's no answer to it. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, you shouldn't.
No. You should always give answers. You can't ask questions without any answer. I'm qualifying why. You also qualify why. Use your.
Okay, how many situationships are you in?
Right now?
Yeah.
Only one.
Eh.
Really? I have been in many. Right now, only one.
Okay, how many you were in? Like when you were in your prime time.
In your prime ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮುದ್ಕಾರ what am I Buddha? What am I prime ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'm still in my prime.
No, like prime
You're asking
time.
how many people you have slept with?
No, like maintain ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಆ peak.
ಏನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು?
Situationships.
No, there were no situationship earlier like this. This is the first situationship consciously which is openly discussed and on both parties.
Oh, nice. How do you feel about the situationship?
It's
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
nice, it's lovely. Yes, after many years you also evolved, your thinking is different. You're in a better place, I think, ever.
Do you like
better
it?
now than ever before.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah, so far so good. Having a lot of fun, yes.
Nice. But is it like an open situationship or like?
No, closed. Ella muchu.
Then it's a relationship, no?
No, it's not.
Okay, why do you think it's not a relationship?
Because it's only going to remain like this. It's not going to go further anyway. Because we're very clear, there's no marriage, no nothing.
Why is it? Like, you can still be in a live-in.
No, there's no live-in too.
Oh, sumne.
We just, yeah. I mean, we meet
Okay.
weekly, once, twice, or thrice, depends. We have a great time together. She's a lovely girl.
Nice.
I'm very fond of her.
So you kind of like her then?
Of course I do. There is a lot of love.
But you said you don't want to commit.
Yeah, this is where it is and this is how I want. I don't want anything more. And it was, there's no surprises. We've started on this note. Everything was on the table.
Okay.
No surprises. Avella, we've learned hard way. Multiple relationships. You've learned and you've refined.
Hey, in yours, it's not relationships, it's marriages.
More or less it's the same, na? You still come down, you still improve over time, right? Over time.
But if you're in your marriage, if at all you get married, what?
I'm not going to get married, dude.
Hypothetical.
Okay.
If at all you get married, how would you save the marriage this time? If at all, tirga. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೈಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾರು ಸೈಕ್
ಈ ಸದ
ಮದ್ವೆ ಆದ್ರೆ
ಅದೇ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಮದುವೆನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಪೋಥೆಟಿಕಲಿ.
Okay.
No, I will never make such promises. ಮದುವೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. If it gets out of control, if you are not happy and joyful, if both of you don't bring joy and bring happiness to each other's lives, then what is the point of being in that marriage? You better get out.
But then half the Indian society is like that only, no?
That's the problem. Whoever designed this system marriage, a lot of them are fine. It is good to
Stay in an unhappy married life?
no, just to societally speaking, it is important. Not everyone is in the same state of mind. They were important agta. In such a time, God becomes important to a lot of people. Marriage becomes important to a lot of people. ನನಗೆ ಎರಡೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Then what is important for you?
To
Pleasure.
be happy and
Pleasure of life.
joyful. That's also a daily practice. You have to practice. I like what Michelle Obama said. I've filed it away recently.
Okay.
She said you are practicing every day who you want to become.
Okay.
On a daily basis ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ಈ ಕೊರಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಿನ ಬರೀ ಕೊರಗೋದು. That is the person he is going to become.
Okay.
ಬರೀ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು. That is the person you will become.
Okay.
ಕೆಲವರು ಬರೀ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. That is the person you will become. It is
Okay.
practice. You are practicing every day
Okay.
who you want to become.
Okay.
And I practice to be happy, joyful. Everyone has their ups and downs. It's a conscious effort.
Okay.
And therefore, all the more reason for me to stay out of marriage, especially. Unless you get a great partnership and you're okay.
Getting
If
back.
you share the same kind of theories and outlook about life, then it could be great.
Okay.
I have a friend who lives in Netherlands. He stays with so they have a 3 people marriage. Not marriage. They call themselves throuple. If you're watching this, Karan, hey!
Namaskara.
So
You're lucky.
Karan
He's having
lives with 2 women. Both of them are I think bisexual. Karan is straight, and all of them are psychologists. So they're thriving. It's in the 4th or 5th year together.
Wow.
They are
Full jolly hangandre.
Jolly is one thing, and 2 is they're really making it happen. They're making it work. So there are all kinds of people. So I'm not a conformist like that. No. Marriage is, if at all yaro nodtiroru, if you want to marry, I would first say you have to first live in. Get a sense.
Why do you think it's important for a person to do a live-in first and then get
There
married?
is so much you don't know about the person because it's very charming. You only meet over weekends. It's very, very charming. But sleeping under the same roof day in and day out, getting up on the same roof, ಒಂದೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗೋದು, ಹೇಳೋದು, ಸಂಸಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು, that is a different ball game than just dating. Of course,
I've never gone to that
so
extent.
dating is charming for you, but there's so many questions you have not asked. You don't know about how that person handles money, temperament in the house. You have only had a very nice time outside, right? You have hardly spent time that, so to speak, under the same roof continuously.
Oh yeah, okay.
Your tolerance level is different, and everything will be questioned and will come out.
Okay.
So you will learn that in the due course.
So you keep introducing yourself, telling you've done a lot of movies.
First of all, I never introduce myself saying I've done a lot of movies.
ಆ ಮೂವಿ
Once.
ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ ಮೂವಿ ನೀವು ಆ ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿತೀರಾ ಅಂತ.
ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹಂಗೆ
I've heard it.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತಮಾಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ I've heard it.
ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ. Okay, fine.
You're like, oh, you might have seen me in that movie.
ಆ ಥರ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಿವೆ.
How did that happen?
Somebody made an offer. Somebody ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿ.
Okay.
Rajesh. He likes. See, that is a very different genre that he has tapped. Adult movies. He liked that. I mean, I had no issues with any movie. The idea of a movie was fun for me. I wanted to act.
Okay.
So I said yes, and there are some steamy scenes. So it is a A-certified movie.
Okay. So it's not really that movie, but it's just.
Yeah, in that movie, say why you have filters on this show? What? No. On your.
So it's not like a porn movie,
it's
but
not a
it's like an adult movie basically.
Anna, it's not a porn, Anna. It is.
But then they term it as an adult movie. No, what is
it? Is A-certified, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It was screened in theaters.
Oh.
So it's A-certified movie.
Oh damn.
People are watching and laughing. Hello sir, disco lights. Namaskara ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Hello.
But don't you think that affects your relationship or anything?
What disco lights?
That A-certified movie.
Affects what?
Affected your relationship forever?
No.
Like, oh, ನೀನು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಿದ್ದು like.
ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು even acting they knew about it.
So they liked it also. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು.
ಯಾರು ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ I was not in any relationship, by the way.
Oh. So
I mean, if I were to be, see, that's what I'm saying. My freedom is most important for me.
Okay. But why?
But if you have certain rules that both of you agree, then yes. But no,
But why do you think freedom is very important for you? Why? Like, why in a sense, like, what's making you stick to that all the time?
What?
Why are you not ready to compromise?
Why should I compromise? It's my life. I have a choice not to.
But still, like...
So you have a choice, right?
Yeah, of course.
Even I have both of us have a choice.
Yeah.
You have a choice and you deliberately chose to compromise.
Huh.
I can do that too.
Huh.
What matters to me, I will compromise. Otherwise, I won't.
Mm.
So I'm not like, don't worry, saying, why should I compromise? I have no such issues. What matters to me, I will definitely compromise.
Okay.
But what doesn't, why should I? I have a choice not to compromise. I have a choice to live the life that I want to live. And I've always done that. I've always lived by...
what you love to do?
Yeah. At my will. Completely. See, as long as you take responsibility for your actions, because every action will have a consequence. If you're ready, live the life the way you want to. That's pretty much how I've lived my life. There is a consequence, I'm aware of it, I will live the life the way I want it.
Okay. What do you think about cheaters? I mean, see, you're telling all this, that this is how a cheater also will tell.
I was a cheater too.
No,
I'm not so proud of it.
Explain, Madi.
I was telling, right, we had sexual incompatibility. I had told my ex-wife that let's explore other possibilities outside marriage. We were in disagreement.
Okay. She was in disagreement.
She, yeah. In disagreement.
Okay.
No. Disagreement in what?
Like, you should tell me. Like, disagreement.
No. So,
she didn't want an open marriage or
we had not had sex in, I don't know, maybe a couple of years.
Okay.
So I stepped outside marriage and I
did the needful.
Yeah, I had an affair.
Okay.
So you're asking me what is my opinion about cheaters?
Yeah, like, why? Do you think it's a good thing to cheat?
No, it's not a good thing to cheat.
But
it hurts the other person. Nobody wants to cheat. I don't want to cheat. I asked, let's do this because sex was important.
Of course, I mean, yeah, it's very important.
But when you say no, but I still want sex.
Of course, yeah.
So technically that way, yes, I cheated. Later on we discussed, of course, I told you, she's like a family. I mean, we are great. We have
compatibility.
Huge, she has a huge positive impact on my life. So wonderful woman. So therefore I stepped out.
Okay.
Outside marriage.
Do you, like, now that people break up, okay, but then they still are stuck together in the sense they're still like inge madhya akapakane irtare, like still they're lingering on to the relationship but they're broken up. What do you think about that? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Don't you think that takes a toll on your emotions?
It does. So if that's what I'm saying, right? If something is draining, why do you want to be there? I think it's good for your mental and physical well-being to step away. What are you lingering for? In the hope.
Of course, everyone. That's the main reason why they hold back.
No, I don't think it should. It should take so much of an effort for other person wanting you.
Do you think chasing for love and like?
No, I don't believe in any chasing. Nothing.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Yeah, it should be very organic. It should be. It should happen. It's not chasing. What is chasing? Okay, give me an example of chasing. I'm not saying it's not good to chase. If you want to chase, you can chase whatever you want.
Like give an example. Now she's being very like stubborn about the relationship or want to get committed. So now she's like testing you. Like
who are these people who are testing you?
Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, that's the generation gap in there.
Hey, generation gap annalla.
3 generation gap aatra illi. 2 decades.
2 decades, yes.
So that's the thing.
See, if you make I statements, like how I've only made I statement, documents spoken about me. It's also a good practice for people. Always make I statements. If you generalize things, everything will be generalized. If you say I about you,
half of the problem is solved.
No, the perspectives can be deeper. Then you don't have to struggle so much. Let's say, for example, there was somebody that you were behind.
Yeah. Okay. So I was.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಹುಡುಗ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
I might have been talking to someone. Okay.
I might allu ನೋಡಿ hesitancy. You change the speaking style. Everyone is all the time guessing. I might have been.
That's the generation. Each generation hange.
Did you or did you not?
Generation hange. Ella guessing. No one is sure.
This generation, the change should begin from you. It should start from you. If you're blaming the generation, you're a part of the generation. I'm
not denying it.
Change the style. Why are you saying I may have been speaking? Fucking you are speaking. Say I was speaking. I am behind her.
No, because I was also speaking to someone else.
What a fucking chutia cheater. Honey, asking me what I'm speaking about cheaters.
How am I cheating? I'm not dating her. No.
Okay, fine. Come back. So you are speaking to multiple people. Fine. Watch out. You're so close.
Yeah. That cow is. So I was speaking to her, and she's giving me all this. You have to be like this. Okay, what is? You are 22 years early. If you're 21 years old, okay. Oh no, I was actually 20. ಆ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿಟ್.
Was she older to you?
No, my age only.
ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು give me an example. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು?
ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Okay.
And then
ಇಷ್ಟು
ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ. And then ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೋಷಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Okay.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Okay.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಮಿಂಗು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ,
ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇರಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನಿವಾಗ
ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡು. ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ, ನಿನಗೇನು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ? ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ?
ಏನು ಸುಮಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು
ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಊಟ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್
see, everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ they have their needs.
Yeah, but that is too much, no?
Who are you to say too much? That is her reality. What is your problem?
So then even I should be asking. When I ask the same thing to her, she's like,
do you think your need and my need are the same?
No, but then
we are two different individuals, two different human beings. You are free to have your needs. She is free to have her needs.
But then
there is no need for you to be with her.
Why should someone have expectations? Is what I'm asking.
That's
why?
Exactly what I'm saying. The world is not equal. I would prefer, if you never want to be disappointed, have no expectation.
But you can't know. You end up having expectation on people. No.
You can train every day not to have expectation.
How?
By not focusing on the end result, but just focusing on what you're doing right now. Do the best of it. Do to the fullest. To be connected with everything on a daily basis, every moment, but without being attached to things.
But
if you practice it on a daily basis, you can slowly.
How do you not get attached? Everyone
I
gets
am
attached.
no, like what?
Huh?
I am.
So you're telling me you don't get attached?
No, not really. No, no.
How? So you're telling me
It's a practice. You practice.
How
it every-
How did you practice not to get attached to someone? Because you eventually get attached to a person. No.
No, you don't have to get attached to a person. You can love that person in that moment. Right after that moment, I don't wish, oh, I want more of it. No.
But no, you didn't make sense here. Like, how do you not get attached? Like, how?
If you're okay, I don't know. If you're fully in the moment right now, enjoying having fun,
Oh, I'm having great fun.
you're in the moment right now.
Yes, of course.
After this is done, this
Huh.
interview or what I mean is this interview.
Yeah.
After this podcast is done,
Huh.
you've forgotten about this. It's done.
No,
I'm looking forward to a
no
next day.
way. I would be like, oh, I had a great time. I would never. One nimsha.
You don't crave for this moment again.
No, I would.
I won't.
Oh my god.
I am done. Right now is done. Move on. Life is vast. There are so many other things that are waiting. You always move forward in that aspect, in that outlook, in that wearing that lens you see life. You can practice not to be attached.
How? How?
Like this. After this done, I am Ashte idhar ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಟಕ್. Next I'll only remember when I see this video again.
That is sad, no?
Why is it sad? Do I look like a sad person to you? Tell me honestly.
No.
So why are you saying it is sad?
No, but then like you're
This
not.
is my approach,
You're
my
not
outlook of life.
You're not looking forward again to.
I look forward to whatever life presents.
Okay.
So there are full of surprises, so many things. I don't know.
Okay.
You suddenly asked me yesterday, can we do this? I said yes, it's a surprise.
Yes. Okay.
You have something else tomorrow. You look forward. You make the best of now, the moment, and embrace whatever comes. I think it's in the way you treat things.
Okay. Would you do
In
another?
the process, you might. I mean, I don't know. That's helped me. I've been practicing this for quite some time.
Detachment, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be there, enjoy, have fun. That's about it. Get out.
What's the weirdest fantasy you've fulfilled?
Weirdest fantasy.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? When you say
Okay.
fantasy, you're different with thinking sex, no?
Of course. Fantasy.
ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೆರಡು ವರ್ಷ ಹುಡುಗರ ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು you should practice this too.
Okay, deal.
I am doing it.
Deal.
Okay, you start.
No, I asked the question, so name first. You should answer first. Come on.
Have you done it in some big famous restaurant public toilets? In the loo.
Holy!
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ನೀನು.
I haven't done it.
But what's the fantasy?
I think mine was in.
Mine was sir public
ಇಲ್ಲ,
toilet.
ಈ ಕಾರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. All right. What are you people of your age, this millennium, not
Gen Z.
Gen Z, what do
Yes.
you guys generally speak? What is your topic
Okay,
of conversations?
so our
Mostly
generation,
girls and
that is also there. But then generally it's more of the generation being very sad.
why you sad?
No,
Not you. Generation
no.
being sad.
Yeah, the
is it?
generation is sad. They're very depressed. They become weak. And this generation
They
is
want quick gratification.
quick. Yeah, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಓಡ್ದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ.
wait ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. You don't know the delayed gratification.
No, it's like basically
Instagram
No,
generation.
it's like masturbating. That's what. ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಥರ.
Anything.
Yeah. Whatever
Be
they
it
do,
success in-
whatever they do, they want it hinge
Quick
ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
success.
Yeah.
But what do you guys discuss?
I mean, my thing, I talk about life, like.
You have maybe an odd man out.
Yeah.
But generally, as you know, what kind of
Generally,
topics do you guys
yeah,
talk?
it's mostly about dating.
Dating, girls, relationships.
And it's this.
What about business and investment?
business? Yeah, that too happens. But then it's this startups kuda I do speak about startups and all. But then it's ಆತರ startups ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Anyone can print a t-shirt. But it's smallest idea which is not even relevant. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್.
Very fancy term in your amongst your
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಆ ಥರ. ಲೈಕ್ ಜಿ ಎಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್.
You can start up.
Yeah, but then for everything ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪನಿ.
It's a very fanciful term.
Yeah.
So they take pride in using
very much.
Startup.
Recently when we went out for shooting, we saw one guy, okay, we interviewed him, all that. At the end we were like, what do you do? He's like, I'm a second year college student. I also own a startup. I was like, dodonu crazy anta. 1 second. And he's like, I own a company angige anta. We thought bejan crazy dow and all that. And then I was like, of course I'm like, oh my god, what startup? He didn't tell about the startup, nothing. I got his Instagram, ಏನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಹುಡುಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಅದೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ.
He's a pimp.
ಅಜ್ಜಾ ಓಕೆ.
Yeah, basically ಅದೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ and then like again they just flex around like that. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ this generation is sad.
Health, fitness ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರ
ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, but again it's like it's toxic fitness. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ like for this the new term which has come, alpha male and all, no? It's shitty because it's alpha male doesn't mean you have to show dominance everywhere you go. But then non Andrew Tate fan, no. And they belittle other people just because.
So are you pressurized to be like them?
No, I don't give a fuck about them. And every time I see them, I'll be like, hey bro, get away from me. Because I want to save myself, no, like.
Good.
I want to protect my aura and my style and my life.
Very nice.
I don't want to be like, just because they are doing it, I don't want to be a part of them also.
Good. Nice.
I think. Then again, I don't want to be a part of anyone. I want to be me, Atra.
Awesome. Nice. Good.
So that is my thing.
Who do you idolize?
I don't really idolize anyone except Kanye West.
Why do you idolize him?
He's the most honest person I've ever seen on the internet. He said everything. He's got cancelled and he's still.
I just said so much of truth, honesty.
Yes, sir. I like you too.
Truth. Fuck, I spit truth. Anyway, so you like him because of his honesty?
No, like yeah, he's too point blank. Like he's gotten cancelled and all that, and he's still one of my favorite artists.
Nice.
He had his good intentions too, but then people didn't understand his good intentions and all, and they spoke bad about him and they switched sides on him, and he still stuck by who he was, and he's still who he is, and that's why I like him. The originality is there, Ange. Just for the season, if he suddenly changes, then I'll be like, bro. The day I see someone change for something, then I'll be like, okay, Ange. I'll get psyched. And even my friends think that I've changed. Like full tika koppan bidide and all that. Yeah, and I'm
Who
like,
says that? You?
No, my friends. Like because of it,
you stay away from them and.
Yeah, and I started this.
Oh, you started the podcast.
Yeah, and they're like, dodoru. I was like, I'm still the same person. You're just looking at me differently because of your perspective, not my perspective, anta. But then they're still in denial that I'm still the same.
That's okay.
Yeah. How do you face all this? Have you ever faced this?
Yeah, so no, I don't invest too much time if it is whatever that's in your control. You try.
Okay.
If it is not worth getting your energy drained, just leave it.
Yeah.
I just leave it, stay away.
Okay. But don't you think you have to hold accountability also?
Like what? Why?
If you're in a friendship also, you have to hold accountability to both of the sides, right? Like if you fuck up, you have to be accountable.
If I
to
fuck
your-
up, of course I own. I'm the first person to say sorry.
But then if at all they fuck up, you still have the accountability
I
to
very easily forgive people.
Okay. But then
That's-
don't you want to know the fuck up and don't you want to address the fuck up and how you felt?
Sure, yeah. We'll address it. We'll talk.
Okay.
If he's in a position or she's in a position to speak, of course I would love to. But
Okay.
even otherwise, I don't hold up and sit on anger or anything. I just forgive, wish that person well, move on. Simple. It has
Okay.
held me in good stead.
Okay.
It's a good, unsolicited piece of advice to anyone who's watching this.
Okay.
People sit on anger all their lives and die and go away.
Yeah.
Instead of making it so toxic for yourself, learn to forgive. It's easier said than done. But forgiving will only help you move forward quickly.
But
ಅವಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು ನೋಡಲ್ಲೇ ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕೊರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಫರ್ಗಿವರ್ ವಿಶರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್ ಯು ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್. What do you lose in forgiving? You had not lost anything. Yep. Forgiveness is only for you, not for the other person. Life will move on whether you forgive or not. Forgive so that you can move forward.
But how? Like how mentally, like how that?
Close your eyes every morning when you get up. Wish that person well. That
No
is
matter
one-
what they've done to you.
No matter what
Even if
they've
they've
done.
stabbed you.
Even if they have said, if you wish to. Otherwise, you can sit with anger. I mean, you have a choice. I'm saying your choice is there for every situation. You have multiple choice.
Okay.
Either you can stab back, either you can run, either you can get pissed, either you can yell, yell, or you can say, forgive, ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆದ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಬಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ದ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ಸ್. ಮೈ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್.
Do you think seeking revenge is a good thing?
I used to I mean, there's no point. It's just draining your energy
Yeah.
for me. Now, I don't know. It depends. Maybe from situation to situation, case to case. But
No, do you think seeking revenge is a rightful thing?
there is no right or wrong, boss. Thinking makes it so.
Okay.
If you want to take revenge, so. But as I told you, every consequence will have every action will have a consequence.
Okay.
If you're ready to face the consequence, do whatever you want to do, please.
Okay. Okay.
But revenge for me is waste of energy.
Okay. Okay.
I rather have an adult conversation and try to sensitize or give my point of view, and in the hope that it can help the other person. If I'm in the wrong, I'm the first person to say sorry and admit my mistake. That was not easy, but again, over time, you have practice to be that.
Okay. Which was if you had to sleep with someone, which celebrity would you sleep with in Karnataka's industry, in the Kannada industry?
I don't know. I'll be, since I work for a Bollywood station.
Okay, Bollywood. Let's go Bollywood.
I don't
okay.
have
Who,
to watch.
if you had...
No, I will not take any such names and...
No, I'll beep it. I want to know. Personal.
I'll tell you tomorrow.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ.
No, it's okay. Tell.
No, that I'll tell you separately. I honestly don't have anyone in my mind.
Yeah.
As a kid, I had a crush on so many. I think most of the Hindi actors. I had a big crush on Amrita Singh.
I don't know. Your generation.
Saif Ali Khan's ex-wife. I was a kid too. But
yeah, then she's a granny to me then.
Now, for you, yeah.
See?
You were a sperm then. That way, I mean, as a kid, Juhi Chawla, I had a crush on so many of these. When I was way younger.
You don't get
You?
like me? No, I
Oh!
you didn't tell, even I am not telling. Same.
But you have, no?
Yeah.
Current crush?
Current crush, actually, currently no one. Actually. Actually, no crush. I've always had a crush on.
Woman.
Of course, I'm straight, so I would have.
What is so of course about it? Why it could be anything.
No.
It can be. I don't know. I don't know. We
full
don't know.
straight. Full straight.
Yeah, but this zamana mein we don't know, right? What are your pronouns? I don't know. I don't know.
What do you think about that pronunciation, pronouns and all that shit?
It's all. I think it is just. I don't know if it is a natural progression of things because every generation had so many new things.
Yeah, but that
This generation, this is like whoa. Never heard of
asexual,
issues
pansexual,
like this. Yeah, and also
bisexual.
sexual orientation. This was never the case in the past, right?
ಹುಡುಗನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ.
In the back in the days, yeah, where was this confusion? So every generation has something new to wonder about, and this is this generation's.
What do you actually think about it? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Or have you ever faced, or did you have an issue with that?
I never have any issues with, or neither did I ever have issue. I don't have issue with them.
Have you met
I'm
any
just
girl?
going with the flow.
Have you? 1 second. Have you? Wait. Have you met any girl who's like, oh, I'm like this sexual orientation?
Oh yeah, of course. I have a lot of lesbian friends. I have bisexual friends. I have gay friends. I have, of course, a lot more straight friends.
Who would you choose, a lesbian friend or a bisexual friend? I mean, both are same, no?
A friend is a friend. How the fuck does it matter?
Illa, but still.
Hey, Nodama, if you're not lesbian, then you can't be my friend. If you're bisexual, come on, good friend. How does sexual orientation matter for a friend? It does
No,
not.
okay. Wrong question.
Don't delete it. Keep it. Keep it.
Okay, it will be there. For a relationship, or not even a relationship that you're not doing. Okay, for a situationship, would you choose a lesbian girlfriend
I would
or
do a straight.
bisexual?
No.
Why not?
Because I want a straight. Because I am straight. I want somebody who's straight too.
Hey, but she just likes another woman and also you know.
Which I don't have a problem. But you've given me a choice, so I've said I put you the straight one. You gave me a choice, right?
I only gave you a choice between a straight, not a straight. I gave you a choice between a lesbian and a bisexual.
Why will lesbian sleep with me?
Just for the fun of it.
She will not.
No, she might just like you.
You're talking about only sex.
Yeah.
No, I prefer a bisexual. I want both the parties to equally enjoy sexually and get stimulated.
Did you have you had a threesome or not?
No.
No.
I had an invitation, but I dropped it.
Why? Why did you drop it?
I don't know, last moment. Jitters, cold feet.
So you would
No, actually, it was, I think, too.
You don't like them then?
No, there was this girl, and apparently there was another man. For some reason I said no.
No.
I said no. I just said okay, no.
So if it was 2 girls and you, then Bunny Mogana.
I don't know. I may have said yes. Not sure. You?
Now see, you're acting like my generation people. Now you're acting like Gen Z.
Why?
Clueless questions you're giving now. Clueless answers.
I'm not. I'm giving you a straight answer. I had an invitation. I said no. But if it were to be a woman, maybe I would have said yes. I don't know. It not happened. No.
So there's still an open invitation, an open chance for.
Right now, no.
No. But then what if you lose your prime?
You tell me, when will I lose my prime?
That happens.
Yeah. How do I know when I'm losing my prime?
ಅದು ವಯಸ್ಸು ಬರೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಯ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ವೀಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ವೀಕ್ ಅಂತ 46 ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೀಕ್ ಅಂತ I don't know how long is my prime. How no? I don't know my prime. I will see when it comes.
But so in our generation, okay, like everyone are clueless, and right now in our generation, everyone are open. Like it's
in your generation.
Yeah, like not like open andre open
relationship.
Open, like full open. Like
so these apps must be thriving. Bumble.
Yeah, like
Tinder.
They're so bold. They just directly put I want an open. Like okay. What do you think about that? That people are so andre ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ. At that age. See, your age is different. But then and your age is different, but in our age it's like would you do that in your age? Hey, Barama.
I am absolutely okay with open. Yeah, I'm totally open. That I mean, I have done it. What do you? If you're doing it, I've done it just few years back.
How do you go about it? How do you go about an open relationship, Salpa? Give me some knowledge. Like I want to be in an open.
It's a casual relationship. That's it. It's almost like friends with benefits.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's casual.
Yeah. Like no.
If you see, for every action there is a consequence. If you are okay with the consequence,
What's the consequence of being in an open relationship?
STDs?
No, but then you guys know that.
Even then, who knows? That is only one fear, right? If you're sleeping with multiple people, that is your big fear.
Okay, that's
Of
why you're in a
health.
situationship then.
That's. I have been in enough. I said enough.
Okay.
Sako. I was very curious. I wanted to be in multiple.
Have you gone all over the world? Have you tasted all the nation?
Tested all the nation. No.
No. Which is the best nation you would prefer to go back?
Hamara, India.
Yeah. What was the second one?
You're asking a person who was no. I just told you. No, I have not. What? You think I'm a whore?
No.
So
But
globally, like, all your destinations are the best. And what the fuck?
I'm asking for like trip or along with like.
No, I have not gone around fucking different countries. No.
So yeah, like only.
Yeah, mostly Indian.
Okay.
I don't know when the last time I had a conversation like this.
You never had a conversation like
I
this?
mean, like this different nation. Maybe in your age. Maybe
I mean,
was
that's
curious.
how. I think this is how we speak. I
We're
guess.
so curious back in
Yeah,
the days.
we are. Yeah.
No, I mean everyone is curious, of course.
Of course.
No
it is.
shying away from that. It's truth.
Yeah, I mean, I do want to know how. I mean, like
Different
how,
people are different culture,
Yeah.
and how is their sex language, love
Yeah,
language,
yeah.
body language.
Yeah, actually, like, I want to know that, like how people are, because I don't think so. It's every place is the same. People have a different way to express it. Expressing different things, and I want to know how they do it.
Yeah, the local cuisine is local cuisine. Every cuisine has its own charm, its own plus and minus, I'm guessing.
Which would you
I mean-
choose?
India.
Any day.
I don't know other nations. So how do I know?
You've never done it.
Hardly.
See. Oh.
No, actually, yeah. Major.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
majorly 98% India.
Or was it 2%?
I don't know, Belgium and Thailand. And I think it's all mostly India.
So in that, which would you choose?
India.
Oh. Okay.
ಏನೇನು ಕೇಳಕತ್ತ ನೋಡಿ ಈತ
What to do at this
22
age?
ವರ್ಷ ಇವನಿಗ. Of course, you're asking all the right questions only for your
Yeah.
age.
Even in my age, you would have been more.
Same.
Yeah. Energy wise. But at my age, what were you thinking actually? I want to know.
Same, this kind of sex filled my mind in your age. Filled. Obsessed.
Yeah?
All the fucking time think of sex.
I mean, even now you do, so there's like nothing
No,
changed.
now I don't.
Okay. So now, now what do you think?
Think of other your lifestyle, other things about money, investment, business.
Okay. But when did that transition happen? From like, from sex, bro? Like,
Yesterday. Just before this video. That maybe 4-5 years ago.
So it's very recent, hangandre.
Yeah, mostly. I mean, it's only fading down slowly.
Oh.
The thoughts. Thoughts.
Hangandre, you've still not fulfilled everything then.
It's nothing to do with fulfilling. Yeah. Okay. Just because you've had a nice meal now, you don't think about meals for tomorrow. Oh, you had your meal. Angara, you're fulfilled. Life, this was the last thought ever about food. So it doesn't work like that, right?
Yeah, actually. That is also right.
Yeah.
In radio, like what? Like of course, someone would have come and asked you the weirdest thing. The weirdest thing.
No one has asked such a weird question on radio. I don't remember really. What can be so weird on radio? Give me an example.
Not like a weird on radio, but then like off radio. Nimatra bandbidu. Like a weird request. What's the weirdest?
They're giving me a number. Some girls are giving me a number. Straight away.
Bartya. Like that.
Not straight away Bartya, but they've hinted.
Oh, okay.
They've pinched me. They've dragged me.
Oh.
Guys have hit on me on Instagram.
Oh, what?
They send me dick pics.
Oh, you what? You get dick pics.
A lot of people think I'm gay. I mean, I wear this nose pin. I mean, I maybe have. They were stereotyping a lot of people. Stereotyping. They may be having some stereotypes.
They're not wrong. Like I'm just telling them.
Yeah, I'm just saying. You're saying I'm straight. By the way, correct me if I'm wrong with watching. You can leave a comment. They don't like it when you say the user term straight.
Why?
Heterosexual. I'm a hetero.
What the fuck is that?
If you're straight, which means are they crooked?
No, but still.
So it's a harsher term, I think. So
I am still straight. I am straight.
Heterosexual.
I'm straight.
Heterosexual
Straight.
or bisexual, lesbian,
Straight.
gay, transgender, whatever.
I am straight.
Okay, fine. So am I. So I get pictures, videos, bisexuals, queers asking if I am queer, if I am bisexual. I say no, I'm a hetero, so you're barking up the wrong tree.
Damn. Do you feel weird about it or do you
Absolutely.
enjoy it?
No, I don't. It's nothing to enjoy or weird. I like the fact that they were drawn to me. It's always flattering, but I very nicely, politely have told them, but I'm not gay or bisexual or queer.
Okay. But then people do text you about like, oh, I want to do this with you, do that with you. What is the weirdest?
No, same. One of videos and dick pics and people saying, yeah, I want to. I'll give my ass or I want to lick you and things like that. Mostly men have done it. Women have, I think, behaved.
So here you're telling me women have behaved and men have not behaved, basically.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Of course.
You've never thought about why you attract gay people?
I have, because of my dressing sense and my nose pin, and I think stereotyping that people may have had in their minds. Maybe because of that.
Okay.
No, I know it's because of that.
Okay.
You think there are other reasons?
You might be also.
I am not. I'm telling you.
Like you've just not opened up. Like you still not come out of the closet.
I've opened up so much in your podcast. You think I really need any opening?
You still wouldn't have come out from the closet.
No, I have
no door open Marilla.
I have no closet at all. Mine is an open book. Everything is open, out. Any other reasons?
No, actually no.
Okay, so maybe that's fine then.
But what do you think? What do you think that this generation is doing wrong? That that they should be correcting it.
I need to understand from you. I really don't know. Whoever is watching, especially this Gen Z,
Gen Z will love you for sure.
I want people to really be more equipped for life ahead in terms of physicality too. I think no matter what, just like your breakfast, lunch and dinner, make exercising a habit.
Okay.
Start lifting weights or play a sport. It will hold you in great stead. It will teach you how to handle defeat gracefully, how to get back when you're low in the dumps,
Okay.
and how to handle success gracefully.
Yeah.
And it will instill discipline
Okay.
and give you. You keep saying, "Nah, this Gen Z is
Instant
very
gratification.
instant."
Yeah.
You will understand and enjoy delayed gratification. Instant gratification is great. Even I want it. But it happens with only very few, right? The rest of you have to earn your way up.
Yeah.
It's like building your body. It's like losing your weight. You can't do anything overnight. It takes time. A lottery might happen and give you a windfall. Otherwise, you have to learn. So, have the mental makeup and definitely exercise on a regular basis. That's what I would like to tell Gen Z. And learn to forgive. Learn to treat another human being the way you like to be treated. That will sort out a lot of issues. You'll automatically become a gentler and a kinder human being.
Yeah.
If you treat another human being the way you like to be treated, your perspective, your way you're operating, the way you respond, everything changes for the better.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm telling that to this generation. That's it. The rest will happen.
Oh damn. Very thoughtful that was.
That's my core riding philosophy of life.
Okay.
Treat another human being the way you like to be treated.
Do you believe in God and all?
No.
Why not?
I used to. I was very religious kid.
Okay.
Covering that light.
Yeah. 1 second. High be makon bandirodu. Go. He's still there only. Oh, he's going. Yeah. Who do you used to believe? I mean, like what? I mean, okay. That's
I was very
subjective.
curious as a kid about whole religion and God.
Okay.
Always questioned it. I read a lot of books. The more and more I questioned, the more my logical brains didn't support the existence of God.
Like, why do you think?
If so, God is almighty. He has the ultimate power
Yes.
to do whatever, however he wants, anything he wants. If that is the case, why did he design such a flawed world?
That's the whole point, no, so that you
Yeah.
fucking believe him. Yeah.
If he, what is his need? He's
God
is seeking attention.
God is evil. This is my philosophy. God is evil.
Acha, I am not saying I completely don't support the existence of God. If you say it's evil, I don't know. What about all the nice things that people are doing?
No, that's the thing. God is evil, so that you could.
So Satan is good.
No. God is Satan, and Satan is God.
What is his role?
Huh?
What is God's role then? What is evil's role?
Evil's rule.
God's role. Your God is
See,
evil, right?
See, yeah, no. God is good and bad. See, if God is doing good all the time, then no.
What is his plan? What is ultimate? His ulterior motive is what? Of your God?
Not like my God. This is like.
The God that you have described, who is good and bad. What is
Huh.
his motive? What does he want out of this?
I mean, good, but then it's not happening.
Then he has lost it. He's a loser.
No, because he put the bad in the society. No,
What was the intention?
so that they can get good out of it.
What the fuck is God's plan?
God's plan. I should go ask Drake for that.
So I am saying no, he has no plan. If at all he really had a plan, then he has screwed up so many things. Why are people dying in famine? Why are people dying out of drought, no food? Why are people dying out of bacteria, bad disease, cancer, dying in miserable accidents?
So that you have faith in him.
Why the fuck? If he has the power, why does he want people to suffer? Tell me that.
Huh? See, that's the whole point. No, like.
They say karma.
Yeah.
Why didn't God give every human being enough good brains to only do good deeds come and get out? What was the problem in such a society?
Then that is
Everyone has a
that's
great
called-
life. Come,
no,
let's
then,
go.
then it will be termed as heaven. No, if everything is good, then it will become heaven. No,
It can be termed as heaven or hell. That's okay. What is God's plan in doing all this then? Why is He doing this?
Faith and belief, and so that you strain your.
When
brain.
you're not doing, people are dying miserably. What faith do I have?
You
When
have
things
to-
are continuously going on, where do I have faith? People lose
You should
faith.
have the faith in God that everything will become right. No.
So the only way to have faith is to suffer first.
Yeah. No, that's the whole point. No, like you have that's the whole journey of any person who preaches about God. You see them telling that I've suffered and God helped them.
No, the people who continue suffering without any help. What about them?
That means they haven't believed in God so much.
I know lot of people who are continuously believing and continuously suffering. You don't know people like that?
I mean, yeah, but then it's again.
Then why are they suffering?
It's
Then how does
karma.
he? Why did he not make good human beings to only do good karma?
If there's only
Because
good,
he had such a power. No, he can make everything right. Why is he? What is this need to test?
that's the thing. That's why God is evil. He loves to see people suffer. No.
So that's your definition of God. Do you worship
Yeah.
evil?
No, no. Like
Your God is evil. Then how I worship?
no.
Who do you worship?
I worship Jesus. No, but then I'm telling God is both good and evil.
So what do you say to your God?
What I say, thank you for whatever is happening in my life, and whatever you're doing it's your purpose. So I'm not going to deny whatever is happening. I'm going to accept it how it is.
Cool.
Ashta. So even if it's good, bad, hate, love,
Accepting the way things are.
accepting it how it is,
Okay.
and looking forward to a brighter day tomorrow, and not losing hope on God telling, you're going to give me another sad day. I'll be like, you're going to give me a better day tomorrow because I learned from today.
That's a good attitude to
Yeah.
look forward to a better day. Awesome.
Yeah. So that's how I think God
May
is.
peace be with you.
Praise the Lord. But you still didn't tell me why you don't believe.
This is why I don't believe, because it didn't absolutely make no sense at all to me. Zero sense. It did not make any sense to believe. There could be, some energy and power.
Do you believe
Whatever.
in this universal thing, that spirituality and all that, or that also you don't like?
I only believe in being good and being kind. The rest I don't know.
So
I really don't know.
Okay. So you don't
Not that I don't believe or I deny or I don't. This is my opinion about the non-existence of God. And this is why.
Okay. So no, you don't have any personal philosophy of life or
I
or
told you
any
to treat another human being the way you like to be treated. That's my philosophy.
philosopher, any philosopher?
Nah. I'm a big fan of Sadhguru.
Sadhguru. Oh. What do you see? Okay, Sadhguru, right? What do you think? People tell that he killed his wife. What do you think about that?
I don't know, so I really don't know. I've not investigated, so I don't know.
But
I love a lot of things he says. It's really simplified. It makes a lot of sense. I very aligned to most of the stuff he says.
okay. But then, so you don't know about that thing where it's all.
I've heard about that. There are so many allegations about so many people, so I don't know.
Has any allegation come out from yours, or any allegations?
On me, against me.
Against you or something like that?
Nothing that I know of.
Never heard about any allegation.
Have you heard about any allegations?
Nah.
If you heard about any allegations
The only allegation
against me, maybe it's true. I don't know whatever it is. I have no idea what allegation. If
You're a big player.
big player.
Yeah.
I used to play tennis. I was a tennis player.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. Big player as in I'm a player. Define player.
Who is not emotionally available in any aspect, and it's only for
Oh, I have been
pursuit
that.
of pleasure.
I have been that person. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why did you did pilot schooling and all? Why didn't you become like a pilot, or is it like a private license or like a public?
No, mine
commercial?
is only to fly a powered paraglider. I can't fly a regular aircraft, dude. I'm not that. This is just a certification and license.
So you
To
did
fly
for time
a
pass?
powered. To fly, I had an aircraft.
Oh damn!
Yeah, a 2-seater powered paraglider. I just recently, few months back, I gave it away.
Why?
I haven't flown for over 5 years. There's a lack of space. You need to travel too far to fly. I said okay, and it was just gaining dust,
Oh shit!
rusting. So I gave it away.
How much did you pay for the flight and all? I mean, like for the plane?
This was 10 years ago. I think I must have got this. Back then, 8 lakhs.
For a plane, 8 lakhs.
It is not a plane. It's an aircraft. You can call it. It is a trike. It's called a trike.
Okay.
It comes with a parachute wing
Okay.
with all the strings attached.
Everything
And
is doing
then
that's okay.
It has an engine.
Okay.
Only 2 people can sit.
Okay.
It is open. There's no body. Only a railing.
Oh, okay.
You can feel the air on your face when you take off and land when you're flying. It is open. It's like
how you
imagine
like
you
it.
have a railing like this. That's all.
Ah.
No, just one harness you have.
Ah.
Everything open. No body.
Oh.
So it's a powered paramotor.
Okay.
So yeah, 8 lakhs. Even now you can get it around 10 lakhs, I guess. I'm
Oh,
guessing.
yeah.
Not sure. 10 to 14, 15 lakhs.
Okay. How far can you go with it?
If I remember, if I could fill 4 liters, you could fly for an hour.
Oh. So you can go to Chennai.
Fly. You can cruising speed 40 kilometers per hour.
That's slow, no?
Very slow. It's like just a recreational.
Like a TVS
It's a
Excel
recreational aircraft. Yeah, it's a recreational sport kind of.
So it's not
So
like
if you have a tailwind, you can fly faster.
okay.
But it's not advisable to cross the city. That's why you stay on the outer limit, so that any emergency landing, you need open space to land.
Okay.
I have faced emergencies like that.
Oh shit! Like you
I thought
took your
I'm gonna
balls
die.
out like that.
I thought I scream. I let out a scream up in the sky. I was so closer to the heaven or hell. Engine failed. I mean the spark plug popped.
Oh shit!
No, I think the fuel got over once. I was 6,000 feet high.
Fuck!
I was very far from my takeoff point. I just hovered over, landed in some random farmland. Somebody near
Fuck!
Hoskote.
Holy
Oh, the
shit!
toll. Then I called my driver to come and pick me up, and then he came and picked me up. So I died.
Damn!
But landed safely and comfortably.
Oh damn!
Today I can say that, but that day I was shitting. I think I shat. Must have, yeah.
Damn! That's actually scary. Fuck!
I landed inside the tree over my farmhouse. Right in the tree. Shoo! Came and landed because I didn't get enough thrust. I couldn't land on time.
Fuck!
Straight into the tree. Hanging upside down like this.
Huh? Like legit?
Yeah.
Oh fuck!
Petrol was dripping from the tank and
Fuck! Like actual movie only.
this happened.
Can write a movie about you itself. Like legit
It's happened, yeah. This is
Indian playboy.
who played.
You
and
don't
got
play
stuck in-
anyone. It's just a tag. It's just a tag. The
Indian
movie name.
playboy.
Yeah. I think you kill that. Think about it. Like, first of all, pilot. You look sexy.
Really?
Yeah. See, I'm giving it. Like, if
So Gen Z finds me sexy.
yeah, like, you look hot. Like, I don't know. I mean, girls.
See, it's again only been a man who's been saying this. Yeah, I mean, I've received. I mean, I've received some generous amount of compliment. Very grateful.
Yeah.
I have, I think, deliberately really worked on grooming myself.
Yeah. So you.
I was not happy with the way I look. I had a very low self-esteem.
Okay. So when you're like back then.
Back when I was in college, during tennis days, when I was playing
Okay.
tennis and.
But that time, were you dating and all? Or like,
Nah.
Nah. You're not even like.
I was only thinking about dating and sex and romance all the time.
Okay. But did you get any?
No. I think I was over 21.
Okay.
when I lost my virginity. You?
I'm still a virgin.
Auntie, uncle, parents is watching. That's why his son is lying.
No, I'm still a
Virgin.
yeah.
So what is it? There's no big deal about Gen Z being virgins and.
No, they don't care now. They tell it openly right now. They don't give a fuck. That's the whole point. Like, they're not scared. Like, you gotta judge me or judge me. Like that.
That's good.
But still.
I think it's good. It's cool.
See, yeah, that's why I
Stop
told you.
judging. What is the big deal? Let people judge. Somebody who's watching me, judging me, is purely their business, none of my business. It does not change me, right? Somebody calls me an asshole. Do I become an asshole?
No, you don't.
Unless I am an asshole, yes. Otherwise, no.
Okay, so if you're telling this, so girls, okay, females, they get judged because of their body count. What do you think about that?
I would never judge anyone. Ever.
What do you have to say to those people who, to those girls, to not
Who
feel
has been-
insecure about it?
Just what I told you. Other people judging you is purely their business. I don't think you should give a fuck. I don't think you should even bother. People are always judging. You can't stop people from anyone judging me. You do what is good for you and move on. You be nice and kind no matter what. Like, what are you doing?
No, but
You are
then
moved away to be who you are. That's all. That's all you need to do. There's nothing more. You don't have. It's not rocket science. Don't complicate it. Keep it simple.
yeah. No, but
do
then
who you.
in
what you
this, I'm kind of interrupting.
No, tell me.
But then in this generation, like it's those like guys who judge girls for having
Having multiple. Having slept with too many people.
too many people and all that.
What can the girls do if guys are judging? First of all, guys. Fuck you. Who are you to judge to begin with? If anyone is judging anyone, is this his or her business? If you're judging me, it's your business. Yeah, it's. What can I do? You can't stop people from judging.
But doesn't that get your head or like?
No, it does
It
not.
would have got in your head. No.
In the past, of course, we all dealt with it. Of course, it would. Back in the days, of course, people judging me. Even I was judgmental too. That's how you refine. Now, my goal is to only become the best version of me. You want to become the best version of Ajit.
Yes.
You're only working towards that.
Of course, yeah.
What is. Tell me how is you being judgmental has helped you? Let's say, okay, you know a woman, she has slept with 100 guys. So what now?
I mean,
You judging, has it changed her life? Or has it changed your life?
she's going to sleep with someone else again.
It is her life, her choice. Your judging also is your choice. But what if something is not benefiting you? How has you making that judgment favored you or enhanced your life in any which way?
Oh yeah. Okay.
You just made a judgment. Let's say, okay, she's a woman. She has slept with whatever, how many number of people. You made a judgment. So what does this judgment do to you?
Nothing.
Then what's the fucking point of judgment?
But then that's the thing. No, like people they judge in a way that it kind of gets them. Like that's the scene
You
here.
deliberately judging. You want to be loud about your judgment so
Yeah.
that it hurts the other person.
Yeah, that's what they
So
do.
ask yourself, no, what is your need of hurting the other person? You deliberately want to hurt her because you want to correct her or rectify her, because in your books sleeping with so many people is wrong or bad. If someone is asking you for help. Otherwise, fuck up.
Okay, yeah. I mean,
Really mean well.
I mean, like even I don't.
You can give an unsolicited piece of advice politely. It's not depending on. Everything depends on the tone.
Okay.
Your tone can say if you're being respectful, if you're being kind, or if you're being judgmental.
Okay.
The tone can change everything.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's just in the way you say things. Choice of words and the tone.
Okay.
Over the years, I've learned this.
Yeah, I mean you're an RJ, so.
Even without being an RJ, it is any human being would have learned it over the years, I'm guessing.
Okay. If you had to give me one tip to go and talk to a girl, how do I do it? Like in a good way, not in like a shitty way or something. Like in a good way. Like I actually find her pretty. She looks cute.
I think maybe you should. That should be your first line.
Like directly, I think you're cute like that.
Some people like it, some people don't. Because honestly, I've never done that.
You've never gone.
Never.
You've never gone and like never. Really.
The ones I've approached are the ones who have given me a hint that there is some liking.
Of course, that's when.
Only then, no. Me randomly going and
Of course, you get that hint by the eyes and everything.
no.
Then. Oh, in your generation, different.
I wanted more confirmation than just I.
So what is like
Either
your?
they speak first, or they drop a message, or Insta, or for me it's always been like that so far ever. I have
Okay.
never gone and approached and spoken like that.
You've never. Oh my god.
Never. I've given compliments,
You would have given compliments, no?
but back in the day, no, I didn't have the balls or the courage. That is all much later, but no, I've never gone in the intention of wanting that girl or wanting to date her, kind of an approach. Never. Ever.
Oh damn. Then I'm asking the wrong person then.
So I can't be the player. See,
Yeah.
title gone
Gone.
so quickly.
Yeah. Oh, we have to find it.
But I enjoyed for a few minutes. The
That's
title
what
of
she
the
said.
player. That's what he said.
That's what.
Yeah, sure.
But damn, what's like your like next future plans and all that? Like what are your plans? Like what do you want to do?
Be a better version of myself.
No, like in like career wise. You did mainstream media also. You did TV also. Why not?
No, I want to. I mean, if I get a chance and if I get opportunities present itself, there is no saying no to me. I'm always saying yes and trying and doing more.
But why do you have to wait for the opportunity? You can ask no.
Ask who?
Like if there's an
know,
opportunity.
Who do I ask? If you were me, what would you do?
If you were me. Yeah, if I see, now that I already got an opportunity, I would know whom to ask again.
No, those are the ones I don't want any opportunity from.
Why?
Somebody else, I want a bigger banner, some bigger production. I want do something big, something comes my way.
Would you do another adult movie? Not like a porn movie.
If I'm paid well, I'll do it.
Well, okay, what? Okay, Prithvi will do another adult movie if he's paid well. So what's the
course.
price?
We'll negotiate when that happens.
What was the first?
It depends on how many days, how many hours, how many weeks. Accordingly, what's the price? Matlab?
Yeah, we still put a price.
No, you
What's
put
a convincing price for you? Like right now, if they
No, I can do it cheaply.
You're doing it for free also.
No, I will never do it for free.
Okay, but what
I
is
did it for free. I have done it for free in the past. I would not.
But what is the convincing price?
I don't know. You have to be more specific.
Convincing price is ಎಷ್ಟು?
Hey, that depends on how long you need me.
Okay, imagine that the whole shoot is gonna happen for like 25 days. Like the whole movie is gonna take 25 days. So I need
I'll do it cheaply for very cheaply, 1 lakh a day.
So your price would be 25 lakhs.
Aram se I'll do it. If it's 25 days only.
It'll take so much, or it'll take more.
It can take less too. You said now.
Okay. 25 lakhs is less, sir. Why? Why
I'm
are
not saying
quoting
it is
so
less.
less, sir?
I told you I can do it cheaply. Because I'm giving a chance of someone to do it.
But at least ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರೈಸ್?
Sari sir, price change ಮಾಡೋಣ. Make it 2 lakhs a day.
That is still less, sir.
50 lakhs.
Ah,
For
like for
if you earn 25 lakhs for 25 days, I am okay.
But still, it's an adult movie, no?
So what?
So
You give me 25 lakhs for 25 days, I'll do children's movie, adults movie, any movie.
You don't have plans for movies also, like, or is it that you just didn't get an option?
If I get a chance, of course I'll do it. I have acted in one movie which is due for release soon.
Yeah, which is it?
It's a Kannada movie. I'm not supposed to say, so I won't say. We've signed.
Indie and all.
Not to, yeah. But
Oh.
it'll happen soon. You will know it.
When will it come out?
It was supposed to happen, I think, this March, but it still hasn't. But I am hoping it should be happening soon. Maybe in the next 2-3 months, 3 months max. I'm thinking. It's a big banner. Big banner. I mean, decent scale banner. Commercial movie.
Kannada.
Yeah.
Oh damn. So I can use this whatever you told right now.
Yeah, you can use.
That I can use.
Because if I'm not announced any name, nothing.
But then Prithvi is acting in a movie.
Yeah, it's a good, nice movie. The actor that I've acted with, I have a lot of respect and love for his skills.
Oh damn.
He's good. I can give you only one hint. He has acted in Pushpa.
Oh.
Anything more than that.
Oh. Holy shit. Am I the first person to hear all this or go on air also? I mean, go on internet?
In such detail. No, I mean, my parents know.
But on the internet, I am the first source.
Yeah.
Shit! What the fuck?
Yeah.
Damn.
Hey. Fuck. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh damn. So now I'm excited. I want free tickets for the movie. First day first show, you should take me and go.
Done.
Pakka?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, done. Holy shit. Okay, tell movie name. No movie.
Paul, no chance.
I won't put it.
Balls.
Really, I won't put it.
I am not supposed to. I will not.
I won't put it.
I'll tell you. Even if you don't put it, I will not tell you because I have signed.
Shit. You can't give another hint also.
Nope.
Well, what was your role? That also you can't tell.
No.
At least roll like one small thing, like small, tiny, small.
No, I can't. It's some police scene.
Shit. Fuck.
I think I've said more than I was supposed to.
So much. Now we'll change the light into like police light. Full again. Where's the remote?
Stop it. What are you doing? You have a remote for this?
Yeah.
Disco lights. But the reason you have the disco light is just for fun, like this.
Yeah, like fun.
Cool.
Like I had no other like intention.
Aesthetics.
Yeah, just like I wanted to have fun, and I wanted. Full jinchaka ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿಸ್ಕೋ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ it was like a dance bar.
So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I was like ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು but ಅಷ್ಟೇ. But I think for the most part we are done.
Thank you. Did you enjoy the conversation?
Oh, I loved it. I wanted to know your side. Are you?
Yeah, this was fun conversation.
You didn't feel no uncomfortability or nothing.
Nothing.
If you did, I'm sorry.
I already told you I have zero filters. If you do podcast, I think the more blatantly honest it is better.
Oh yeah.
Only sugarcoating does nothing to anyone. most of the growth has happened because you are pushed out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, very true. Yeah.
So it should be like this. So I'm glad. I already told you even before starting. 0 filters.
Yeah.
Don't bring any filters.
Yeah.
So there it is.